Healthcare is one of the most hyped industries for AI, but let's separate reality from the buzz. AI can help diagnose diseases faster, analyze medical images, and even predict patient outcomes. But here is the important part: it doesn't replace doctors, it enhances their decision making instead. The hype says AI will cure everything instantly. The reality is, AI works best when integrated into existing workflows, giving clinicians faster insights and reducing errors. Hospitals and clinics that adopt AI thoughtfully can save lives, improve efficiency, and lower costs. Those that chase hype without strategy, they risk wasted budgets and frustrated staff. So, when it comes to healthcare AI, focus on impact over flash.